Very good morning everyone. In our previous session, we have completed simple printing text in text view. Two programs we have performed based on the text view. The first program is called Hello World and the second program is called MVM College. In our today's session, I am going to teach you two programs which is based on two different widgets. Number one, edit text, and number two, buttons. I'm also going to teach you the class, and name of that class is Toast class. Yes, it is a Toast class. You already understand the versions. At that time I told you that all the names are based on the sweet or sugary items. So over here Toast is a class through which you are able to print message on a dialogue. So let us understand the concept of Toast class. The first definition is what? That is the example of Toast. Write a program to click on button, and when I click on a button, at that time one message is there, MVM College. So that is the first program of our today's session, and the second program is example of Toast. We are going to place two edit text and one button, and the definition is write a program to input two string in edit text, and clicking on a button will merge that two string in Toast, right? Say for example, you are going to insert MVM in one edit text and college in second edit text. At that time you need to click on a button, and when you click on a button it will prompt you a message on a screen that MVM College. So these two are the programs which we are going to perform in our today's session. So let us start with the first concept, that is example of Toast class. Write a program to click on a button and toast a message MVM College. I am going to remove this particular definition because I want to make a program roughly over here. So first of all, in the designing window, what is our requirement? We need to put one button widget on screen, right? So for that you need to first of all insert relative layout, and after putting relative layout you can put widget button on a screen. So first of all you need to put relative layout, and then you need to put button on that layout. So in designing we only require to put relative layout plus one button. So relative layout would be there in palette, and put one button widget on screen. In palette you need to click on legacy menu, and inside legacy you will get relative layout. So this is the designing control, and designing would be possible with the activity underscore main dot xml file, and this file is located in the resources folder, and inside resources you will get layout folder, and inside layout you have activity underscore main dot xml. This is the file which is used for the designing purpose. Similarly, in the coding section, what we need to do? We need to create object of button, right? So I am going to create object of button class b1. Then what we will do? On create method is there. In create method, what we will do? First of all, we will perform b1 button find view by id. See, find view by id is a name of method, right? How I can bifurcate that this is the name of class and this is the name of method? So if name of class is there, it will start with the capital letter, and if it is a name of method, it will start with the small letter and then capital each word. Now over here r.id dot button 1, right? Now what we will do? b1 dot set on click listener. Don't worry, I will perform practicals based on this, but right now I am doing rough work, right? Roughly I am going to teach you. First of all, we have created object of button class, then find view by id, then set on click listener into bracket this, right? Why I have passed set on click listener over here? Because I want to fire click event on the command button, right? So when you type this over here, at that time it will generate error. So for that, what you need to do? You need to make cursor over here and you need to press Alt plus enter key, right? So when you press Alt plus enter key, at that time, see over here public, then activity is there, right? So it will implements on click listener, right? After that, what happens? It will override at the rate override on click method, and now you need to put toast class over here, toast dot make text over here. Make text is a method of toast class, right? So toast dot make text. Now see on which location you want to display the toast, right? So right now I want to place toast in the current position, so over here I can write this. Then what is the message I want to print? MVM college. So that message I can write in between double quotation, and then 1500, that is the millisecond for which your toast is displayed. So over here 1500 is in the form of millisecond only, and then dot show, that is the method of toast class, right? I am going to repeat the syntax of make text once again. What you need to perform? You need to write the name of toast class, then dot make text. It contains three arguments. First argument is in which location you want to display your toast. So right now this, that means my current application, right? On that I want to display my toast, so I have passed this over here. Then in double quotation you need to make a text, right? That what text you want to pass. And the third argument is related with the time duration, in which time duration you want to display toast. Now remember one thing, that this two bracket is just for the creation of toast. If you want to display toast, at that time you compulsory need to write show method, right? If you forgot to write show method, at that time you will not get toast on the screen. I am going to repeat this once again, that using this two bracket, it just creates the toast, right? But when you want to display it on the screen, at that time you need to call show method over here. So this is the first way through which you can make a use of toast class. Now second way is there. I am putting comment line over here, toast dot make text. Now see, instead of this, there is one keyword called get application context, right? So get application context is nothing but it refers to the current activity only. So either you can use this or you can use get application context. Any one of your choice you can take. Now MVM college. In third argument, you are having fixed keyword, you can use it. See, if I don't want to use 1500 over here, at that time I can use toast dot length underscore short. So and show method. Now see, over here we can pass two keywords. Number one, toast dot length underscore short and toast dot length underscore long. These two are the keywords you can use over here. Right now I have used short. That means in the short duration it will display the message. Similarly, if you have used long over here, so for the long time it displays message on the screen. So this is the first way you can use toast class. This is the second way you can use toast class. I am going to repeat it once again, that in the first case this is a default keyword which can be used because I want to display my toast on the current activity, and for that either you can use this or you can use get application context. Second is called MVM college, that is a string which you want to display, but that string would be in between double quotation. The third argument is called 1500, which represents time duration, right? So it is in the form of millisecond. So if I don't want to use 1500, at that time toast dot length short and toast dot length long you can use, and using this bracket you have created the toast. But when I want to display it on the screen, at that time compulsory I need to use dot show method over here. So this is the program which is based on the button, and when you click on a button it will display message on the screen. Now let us develop it in the Android Studio. First of all, you need to click on a file menu, click on new project, click on empty activity. This step we have already performed in our previous video. That means first video which is based on the practical session. Click on next. Over here it displays the name of your application, it contains the name of your package, it contains the location on which your project is stored. The language provides you two options, one is called Java, second is called Kotlin, but in our syllabus we are having only Java, so we select it by default. In minimum SDK, remember one thing, that select lowest SDK from the list so that your application will run approximately on the 99.8% of devices. Suppose you select latest version, at that time there is a less support comparative to the others. So I am going to select the lowest version of SDK, that is API 16 Android 4.1 Jelly Bean version. Now click on finish button. The process is consumes a little bit of time, so you need to wait accordingly. Over here it shows message the packages are loaded, so wait for few seconds. You will get information from the status bar also that what process is presently going on. Right now Gradle is builded, so it will take few time. Till our packages are imported successfully, I want to recall two things. Number one, activity underscore main dot xml file is there, and this file is generally used for the designing purpose, and you are having main activity dot java file. This file is generally used for the coding purpose. That means when you want to write a code, at that time you need to refer Java file. When you want to write activity or any designing control, at that time that can be placed in the activity underscore main dot xml. You can see that when the application is loaded, at that time some red mark is there, right? But now right now all the packages are installed successfully, so the error will be removed from the XML file. Now see, if you want to switch into the designing mode, at that time you have design over here, and over here you have palette, over here you have attributes, you have designing screen. Similarly, there is a component tree which contains the list of all the component, or we can say widgets, which you have placed inside designing window. Now what is my requirement? First of all, I need to put relative layout in the designing window, and second requirement is what? I want to put one button on the relative layout. So for that, let me remove hello world text view from the screen. Now click on a legacy menu, put relative layout in the designing window, then for the button you need to click on buttons from the palette. Again click on a button, drag it and drop it in the screen. But see properly over here, the widget is on the 008th position, right? So what is my requirement? I want to put this button over here on this location, right? So for that you can either change the property from the attributes, or you can switch into the coding window and you can make changes from the button XML, right? So button, instead of applying button tag over here, I will choose from the designing window. Now see, in the button I want to write click me. So for that, text property is there, right? Be sure that this attribute is related with the button. And how I will get? See, from the component tree, you just need to select button, and over here it is highlighted. Now on the text property, click me. Let me check this reflection in the XML file. Click on a code. See over here, android.text property is changed from button to the click me, right? So either you can change it from the coding file, or you can change it from the designing window. Now my second requirement is what? I want to change the position of this button. So for that you have translation property. This property is in the alphabet order only, so easily you can select it. Translation X and translation Y. Translation X means your control or widget will move in the horizontal direction, and translation Y means your widget will move in the vertical location. Let me type 150 dp. So this will transfer my widget from x coordinate, that means in the horizontal direction. Let me press enter. So your button is transferred in the middle of the section. Over here dp means density independent pixel, that is the full form of dp. I am going to repeat it once again. Density independent pixel, that is the full form of dp. So you can use 150 dp as a horizontal direction. I want to shift my 300 dp in the y direction. So your widget will be there on the center location of your screen, and parallelly let us check coding portion. In the code section, two properties are added. Number 1 translation X, number 2 translation Y. Remember one thing, that don't forget to write dp over here, otherwise it will generate error. So be careful. First of all, we have selected one relative layout from the legacy menu. We drag it and drop it on the screen. After that we placed one button on the screen. Inside button we set three basic property. Number 1 text property. On text we have written click me translation X, which will shift your widget from the X direction, or we can call it as a horizontal direction. Similarly, we can also set vertical direction by setting its translation property, and I have set it by 300 dp. Don't forget to write dp over here. So over here our designing task is over, right? Now let us switch into the main activity.java file. What is our first step when you create Android application? I want to use activity as a base class. So you need to remove app compact activity from the list. So I removed it, and over here I extend activity as a base class. So definitely you will get error. Why? Because we need to import classes which are based on the activity base class. So in Android it gives you the facility, you just need to press Alt and enter. So it will show you the help, right? So I press Alt enter from the keyboard. So over here it gives you the list of suggestions, right? So first suggestion is what? Import class. That means if you want to use activity as a base class, at that time first of all you need to import classes which are based on the activity class. So I click on a import class. You can see android.app.import android.app.activity is imported in the list, right? And whatever the line which is displayed in a gray color, you can remove it because it is not required in the application development. So this is the package which is related with the app compact activity. So I am going to remove it from the code. So this is the first task you need to perform in each and every application. Now see how many widgets I have placed in designing one widget, that is button. So first of all let me create the object of button class. You need to see button is a class, so you need to write it in the capital letter, button B1. Whatever the code would be there in the red mark, you need to solve the related error. Similarly, over here we have created the object of button class, so you need to import package related with the button class. So for that, press Alt Enter once again. You will see it will automatically import package like android.widget.button. Now what is the second task? Over here in the onCreate method, we need to find the object by b1 equals to button. Don't type all words, right? You just need to select it from the list. I press enter. So button, next is called find view by ID. It is already there on the screen, so I just need to press enter only, right? So capital small error will not generate. You just need to select it. Now r dot id dot button comma, sorry, semicolon. Now I want to print message when user clicks on a button. That is my requirement. So click event is fired. So for that, b1 dot set on click listener. This event is fired on current application, so I have written this over here. As I have told you that when you write this over here, it will generate error, right? So either by pressing Alt Enter key over here, or you can select it from the this red mark, right? So you need to select second option. What is the second option? Make main activity implement Android view dot view on click listener. So if you have cleared with the Java concept, you need to understand that when you perform set on click listener, at that time you need to implement your code over here. So I am going to select this one either from the red mark, or you can press Alt Enter over here. Same option you will get from the list. You need to select second option, make main activity implements on click listener. Over here it gives you the suggestion that when you override this, at that time you need to override on click method. Double click on this, it will automatically override on the screen. I want to tell you one thing over here, that don't write the code over here. You just need to press Alt Enter over here. You will get implementation in the activity as well as overridden method you will automatically get. Otherwise, when you write code, at that time it may be possible that capital small error will create some issues. So try to make sure that you just need to select it from the list. Now let me write toast dot make text. You can see I am not going to type whole things, I am just going to press enter, right? Then this comma message MVM college comma 1500 dot show. I want to show one thing, that when I use toast class over here, it will automatically imported in the library section. Sometimes it may be possible that toast class is not imported over here. So for that, what you need to do, you need to make sure that import of that package is performed in the application or not, otherwise it will generate error. Right now it is imported. Now see over here 1500 shows the red mark, right? Because it gives you the suggestion that you can also use fixed value, that is toast dot length long or length short, right? So right now I have choose first option, that is length long. Now This is the code related with the application. Now let us run application by clicking on a run button. My AVD is already started, so I need to click on that AVD, MVM AVD. This AVD we have already created in the first session. Now whatever the process is going on, you can check it from the status bar. Right now Gradle is builded, right? Now installing process is performed. Now launching activity is there, and finally button is over here. You can see that in designing window it is in the center location, but in the coding window when we run actual application the location is different. Why? Because it depends on the screen. Our screen is 3.2 QVGA, right? So you need to select your coordinate accordingly. You can use 150 dp over here in the y direction so that you will get in the middle of the screen. Right now it is over here, so I am going to click on it. Message is there, MVM college, but this toast is displayed for a long time. I want to make changes over here. Let us change it by short, and over here instead of this let us use get application context. These two are the ways you can change. Again click on a run. This will not make any changes, but yes, definitely this makes a lot changes. The message will be there for a less number of time. Launching activity. Let me click on a button. Toast is there for a less amount of time comparative with the long. One more option, 1500. I want to type. That is the fixed millisecond. Now let us run application. Again Gradle file is building, installing. Launching activity. Let me click on a button. See, fix 1500 millisecond is there. Avoid this red mark, right? It will not create any issue. So this is the program which we can perform using button widget, right? Now let me explain second program which is based on the toast class only, but we can use second option or we can call it as a property. So let me share first of all notepad file for the same. What is my requirement? I want to put two edit text. That means something I want to write at a runtime, right? I hope that runtime is what is runtime and what is design time is properly clear, right? So I want to write something at a runtime. So for that I have taken two edit text, one toast and one button. What is my requirement? I need to write one program to develop two string in edit text. That means I need to input two string. One is called MVM and second is called college. And when I click on a button, it will merge two string and display on a toast. That is my requirement. So for that, let me again perform rough work over here for the second program, right? Now what is the first step in the designing? Which is our designing file? Resources, layout, activity underscore main dot xml. For that file, how many edit text I need to put? Edit text 1, edit text 2 and button 1, and name of that button is click me. That is the text I want to put on the button. Now for the coding purpose, which file is used? Main activity dot java file. Now in the Java file, first of all we are going to create object of all the three widgets. Number 1, edit text E1, E2, button B1. These three are the objects which we need to create. After that, on create method, inside on create method we need to find view by ID for all the three objects, 2 object for edit text and 1 object for button. So I am not going to write whole syntax over here, but find view by ID. So this we are going to perform this 3 line in on create method. After that, B1 dot set on click listener. Inside that means this button is located in current application, so I have passed this over here. Now see, during the first program of our today's session, I told you that when you type this over here, it will generate error, and for solving this error you have 2 options. One, over here you will get red bubble, or either pressing alt enter key in the this button, right? So this option, so alt enter will give you the suggestion list. In the suggestion list, second option is there, make main activity implements, right? This option you need to select. So when you select this particular option, it will implement activity, right? Implements on click listener. Right, so it will automatically implements on click listener after the activity. One more thing, when it automatically implements, at that time it gives you the suggestion that you want to override on click method. When you click yes, at that time automatically on click method is override, right? So you will get overridden method, this one automatically. Again I am going to repeat that don't have typing habit, right? You just need to select these all things. So no need to type on click method, it gives you the suggestion, you need to press OK button. Now over here, what is my requirement? I want to display message. So for displaying message, we have toast dot make text, that is the name of method. First argument is related with this. Instead of this, which keyword I can use? Get application context. But right now I have used this. Then what I want to print? The value of edit text 1 MVM, right? That is the value of edit text 1, and college is the value of edit text 2. So I want to get text from E1 and text from E2. So for that I have E1 dot get text method dot toString. I need to convert this text into the string. So for that what I have used, E1, that is the name of object through which I want to get a text. So E1 dot get text will return MVM and convert it into the string. Similarly, MVM, what is my requirement? E1 plus space plus E2, that means MVM plus 1 space plus college. This is my requirement. So I will get MVM college string in this way. So for that, E1 dot get text dot to string, then for concatenation plus sign is used, then in between double quotation you need to put 1 space for this purpose, right? Again plus, again copy this content and paste it and remove E1. Instead of E1, let us write E2 dot get text dot to string. So this is the second argument of toast class. Third argument is what? 1500, right? And bracket is over. And now toast is created. Now what we need to do? Dot show method I need to apply. Then and then only I will get toast on the screen. Now let us implement this code in the Android Studio. So for that, let me close this previous program. File, new project, empty activity, next button, my application, default location, Java language, minimum SDK version, package name, click on finish button. Wait for few seconds. Over here packages are loaded. Now I have already written the program in file. So let me copy this program and paste it in the XML file. Don't remove this tag, right? You just need to remove text view from the code, right? Paste it. Now let us go in the main activity. Let me copy the code and paste it. Right? What we perform? Button class, right? Button class, object B1, edit text E1 and E2, create object of all the three class. After that, find view by ID, set on click listener, will generate error, implement over here, override on click method, this E1 dot get text dot to string, double quotation space for space E2 dot get text dot to string, and at last duration. Now let us execute this program. Avoid this red mark. It is a warning that instead of fixed value you can use the keywords like toast.length underscore long and toast.length underscore short. Applications are installing, launching activity. Over here let me input MVM, then college, click MVM college. So in this way you can perform toast, right? But see, right now you observe that when I click on a button, toast would be there on a specific position, right? So what about if I want to make a toast over here? That means if I want to change the location of toast, right? At that time I have one method called set gravity, right? So using that method you can change the location of toast. Right now it is over here, but if I want to change the location of toast, I need to use set gravity method. So it is already written in the comment line. I am going to copy it and paste it in our code. You can also copy and paste it in the code. Don't create separate applications for each toast. In the same application you can check. Now see, over here what we have changed: toast class. We have created the object of toast class equals to toast.makeText. This e1.getText.toString space e2.getText.toString, then duration. Now see, right now I have not applied dot show method, which is there over here, but right now I have not applied. Why? Because with the toast class, right, t1 dot set gravity is the method of toast class. So t1 dot set gravity dot top, that means my gravity would be there from the top. I want to display my toast on the top, right? Then or option is there, or sign is there, that means top plus center horizontal. This is the first argument. See, this is not the second argument or separate argument. In the first argument you can set two gravities together. First is called top, and I want my toast in the center horizontal. Horizontal means x coordinate, and right now I have not set any x offset or y offset. I will show the practicals based on this, but right now let us run this particular code by t1 dot show. Again I am going to repeat that if you do not perform t1 dot show, at that time you will not get message on the screen. So let us execute program. Installing, launching activity, input MVM in first edit text and college in second edit text. Now let me click on a button just to see that on this particular location our toast is displayed, that is from the top and center horizontal, x coordinate center horizontal. Now see, when you set x offset and y offset, that means x offset is 50 and y offset is 50, at that time also you will get different output. That means your toast is somewhere on the position. Gravity is top, center horizontal, x offset is 50 and y offset is 50. That means set gravity method contains three different options. Number one, you can set gravity, you can set x offset, and you can set y offset. MVM college, click on a button, you will get toast over here because 50 from the top x and 50 from the top y. So it will display message like this. Now let me share the notepad file for both the programs of our today's session. This is the first program which you need to write in the journal. You need to write activity underscore main.xml file. Let me scroll down up to 37 dp. Let me scroll down. This whole program you need to mention, this is the third program, right? First two programs which is based on the text view. First program is based on the hello world. Second program is based on the printing MVM college in the text view. This is the third program which represents toast class. Let me scroll down up to toast widget. So this is the third program and first program of our today's session, and in your journal this is the third program which you need to write. You can remove this comment line and you can make the comment line over here, and you can test all the three operations. No need to write these three lines for different application. In one application only you can write these three lines. The second program of our today's session, merging of two string and display in the toast. Let me scroll up to center horizontal. Let me scroll up to button. Let me scroll up to the import bundle. The program is bit lengthier, but you can perform it easily, no need to mug up. You just need to select the suggestions from the list. If you make a habit of typing, at that time you will definitely get the error. Otherwise your task will be smoother. Let me scroll down up to override. Again, this particular application contains three different ways to use toast. So you can use by putting comment line. Let me scroll up to override. This is the first way to use toast. This is the second way using which we can use set gravity method, but don't use show method over here. And this is the third way. Over here we have fired or used x coordinate or x offset and y offset. So this is the second program. I hope the concept is properly clear and there is no doubt regarding the program. Thank you all.